Behold, the tapestry of time, woven with the threads of wisdom from all corners of the earth. Humanity, the salt of the earth, forms a unified rice, seasoned by diverse beliefs and insights. True vision comes not from the eyes, but from the heart, a gift held by those who embrace their humanity. Let's embark on a journey through Earth's jewels of wisdom, threads connecting humanity's soul, where each culture, its principles, and ancient musings whisper one universal truth. Vision originates from the spirit, not the physical eyes. The winds carry us to Chief Seattle, standing before his tribe in all his wisdom. He declares, "Our people know that the earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth." Such powerful words draw from Earth's eternal truth, a vision born of respect for all creation. His heart saw not just the now, but the interconnectedness of all living beings. His wisdom was a torch passed to generations, a hymn of sustainability when the concept didn't even have a name. With this torch, we cross to the warm sands and the stories of the Aboriginal elder, the keeper of Dreamtime wisdom. Sitting in his circle, he shares, "In the Dreamtime, our ancestors taught us the songs of the earth, the wisdom in the rocks, and the stories in the stars." Imagine a time when the echoless whisper was loudest, where knowledge was embedded not in books, but in the natural rhythms of the earth. This elder's eyes shine with an inner light you can only see with the spirit, or perhaps feel. It transcends physical perception. His vision isn't blurred by bias, but clear with connection. Our journey moves next to a glowing figure in a scholar's robe, Imam al-Ghazali, drawing wisdom from the ocean of the Quran. He shares a sparkling gem from the Prophet Muhammad. "The most beloved to Allah are those most beneficial to people." Interpretation flows like a tranquil stream. To see through your spirit's eyes is to see the value in service and kindness. His lessons remind us that when the heart aligns with humanity, that alignment creates an inner sight, not limited by the distractions of worldly possession or superficial sight. The call of meditation leads us to the peaceful temple of the Buddha. He illuminates our path with timeless words. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. A gentle pause wraps his temple in birdsong. Buddha's teaching is simple, yet all-encompassing. By turning inward, we unlock a sense of clarity, a sense unswayed by external chaos. He shows us that thought breeds reality, and only the heart-centered mind sees clearly. Finally, we return to our throne of light, the King of the Kingdom of God. From his radiant perch, he ties these universal threads together. Across every tradition, wisdom whispers of a vision unseen by the eyes but born in the heart. Those who truly see, feel from within, guided by humanity, compassion, and respect for all. Embrace this inner sight and let it lead you to peace. For we are all the salt of the earth, united in our diversity. His words are a freeing call to cradle unity, spirituality, and deep seeing from within. What is this inner sight? It's not found under a microscope, nor captured by telescopes. It's the murmur it makes while connecting us all, imperceptible to eyes but radiant in its vitality. Here's to becoming salt that preserves the essence of humanity. Remember, the truest sight is within. Let this eternal truth be our guide.